Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz. You are watching the 7th match in round 2. The scores are Jamaica College on 20, Dinthill Technical on 15. You'll have noticed Dinthill lost a point during the break. The answer given to the question, the novel Catch-22 was written by whom? The answer given was Joseph Helia, and Joseph Hella is the correct answer. The judges got very technical with that, so it's 20 to 15. Not yet, Dinthill. As we get into the buzzer challenge, teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. So teams, as usual, it's time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking, and fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championship. We have 4 minutes on the clock, so we'll begin. The first question is from Bible Knowledge. While wandering in the wilderness, what did the Israelites follow as a guide? Dinthill Technical.
A pillar of cloud.
That's right. Biology. What is the final product of glycolysis? Pyruvate or pyruvic acid. English language. Spell prodigious. JC.
Prodigious.
P-R-E-D-I-G-E-O-U-S.
Incorrect. P-R-O-D-I-G-I-O-U-S. International Affairs of Visual Teams. Look at the following clip and identify this person, please. Jamaica College.
Joe Lorenco.
President of Angola, correct. Chemistry. What is the hydrolysis of a fat using a solution of a strong hydroxide called? Saponification. Music and audio teams. Listen to the following clip and identify this group, please. JC.
Grace Thrillers.
Grace Thrillers.
That's correct. Amen. General knowledge. What is the more common name for the Paleolithic age? JC?
Ozone Age.
Stone Age is what I have, judges. Spanish, translate the following question to English. ¿Hay un buen restaurante cerca de aquí? Dinthill?
Is there a good restaurant near here?
Is there a good restaurant near here?
Judges, yes, good. Good geography. What is the name of the disputed area of ocean between the Jamaica College?
Philippines, so. Luzon Street.
Incorrect. South China Sea. Theater and cinema of visual teams. Look on the screen and identify this actor. Dinthill.
Taraji P. Henson.
Good. Information technology. What does URL? Jamaica College.
Uniform Resource Locator. Uniform Resource Locator.
That's right. History. What was the name of the U.S. military base in Hawaii? That was Jamaica College.
Guantanamo Bay, Comba.
Incorrect. Bombed by Japan during World War II. Pearl Harbor. Mathematics. The length, width, and height of a cuboid are 8 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and 4 centimeters, respectively. What is its total surface area? (144 centimeters squared). Physics. What is the process called when a solid melts under pressure and refreezes when the Jamaica College?
Regulation.
That's right. Sport or visual teams. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please. Cricketer Chemo Paul, Jamaican heritage. In which parish can you find a Curato Hill, which got its name from a plant used in connection with rum fermentation? That's in Clarendon. French, translate to the following sentence to English. Ma mère travaille dans un hôpital. Dinthill.
My mother works in a hospital.
My mother works in a hospital.
Good. Literature. Who wrote the novel The Prince and the Pauper? JC.
Mark Twain.
Good. Art. Name the native city of Italian artist Canaletto that many of his works portray. Dinthill.
Venice.
That's right. Bible knowledge. Who said to his brothers, you meant evil against me, but God meant it for good? JC?
Joseph.
That's right. Biology. Some alcoholics get the DTs. What does DT stand for? Delirium tremens. English language. Give a 7-letter adjective. And I I have JC buzzing in here. Did you want to answer the question, JC? Judges? All right, that's the end of the final challenge and the end of the match. Scores look to be Jamaica College on 24, Dinthill Technical on 25. Here now is the answer to the Digicel viewers' question. The answer is 0.7. Congratulations to our winners. We'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.